Hi, I'm Louise. We engaged LTA Architecture to renovate our home here in Caves Beach. I was lucky enough to inherit some money from my parents, and they were both born and bred Newcastle people, so I really wanted to use a local architect and a local builder and invest my parents' money and their wealth back into Newcastle, because it just seemed to be, felt the right thing to do. And therefore using Lauren and LTA Associate Architectural Firm was definitely the way to go. Met Lauren and it was lovely. She was very friendly, very professional. This sounds good when I left there, I thought this sounds really good. I didn't really have a preconceived idea what to expect, but as I said, I was very pleasantly surprised how easy it was and how everything was done so well, and we ended up with a beautiful quality home. The feelings when you walk into the house is that it's a much bigger home, so it's much more user-friendly in terms of the size of the place. But upstairs particularly, we've got high ceilings, wide hallways, which make it just feel very grand and light and airy as well. And it's just a very useful, functional second living space we've created up here with the bar, the outdoor veranda. Some support beams were put in outside the front, could not be replaced. So we decided to do some copper poles to be decorative features to hide the big black support beams. We went with deco battens, which are powder coated battens in a copper colour. The other thing she did is the round mid-century holes, which she came up with as well, which were lovely. Because we did an extension on the top, she's blended the whole body of the house beautifully, that it looks like it's a brand new build. And did a marble feature tile, 4 different feature tiles in the 4 different bathrooms. So that was all very efficiently done in the same building program as well. So it was great to do it all properly. Oh yes, I would definitely recommend LTA as an architectural firm to use. The outcome was over and above what I thought it was going to be initially. The design itself is kind of timeless. It's quite a unique design, a little bit mid-century in terms of the architectural design on the outside. So that's a really good outcome for us as well. But we've ended up with a very functional, lovely, family-friendly holiday home. The fact that there's still a little house down there that's been blended well, no one would know that little house was still there. It was an absolute pleasure working with Lauren and LTA, and the whole process was amazing from start to finish. What she's created for us is a very nice functional home that we can share with our family and our friends.